Kabalen, tagulan na kaya may pa-rainy season promo na naman ng Kaishin Mini Hot Pot Friendship Angeles City Branch. For the whole month of June, naka 30% off sila. Mas pinasulit at mas maraming pagpipilian sa kanilang buffet at mga side dishes. May 6 hot pot broth sila dito, katulad ng spicy, seafoods, Kaishin pepper chicken, bone marrow, mushroom, and tom yum. Unlimited yung mga side dishes na halos 40 plus ang pagpipilian natin. Meron silang shiitake mushroom, oyster mushroom, squid, hot pot balls, spinach, noodles, tofu, squid flour, lobster balls, at marami pang iba. Tapos may pang-unlimited buffet and drinks at may pre-one ice cream pa. DIY pala ang paggawa ng dipping sauce. Kung wala kayong idea, may guide naman sila dito na pwede nyong sundin. Ito pala yung kanilang mga packages. Depende kung gusto nyo ng unlimited pork, unlimited beef and pork, or unlimited shrimp, beef and pork, plus unlimited side dishes and drinks. For the whole month of June, ito naman yung kanilang rainy season promo. Open pala sila ng Monday to Sunday, 11 AM until 2 AM. Located dito sa Friendship Highway, Barangay Pampanga, Angeles City, Pampanga. Good news, may pa-a la carte breakfast na din sila na mag-start sa June 15. Then kung ayaw nyong umalis ng bahay at gusto nyong mag-hotpot, pwede na kayong magpa-deliver or mag-takeout. Meron silang pa-mushroom set, hotpot ball set, meat set, at seafood set hotpot. For more info, mag-direct PM kayo sa kanilang Facebook page, Kaishin Mini Hotpot Unlimited.